Hi, my name's Katie and welcome to my channel. I'm a travel agent who specializes in Disney and theme park vacations, though I can help you travel anywhere. Today we are at Universal Orlando Resort and we're taking a look at Lowe's Royal Pacific Hotel. This hotel is on property at Universal Orlando. It is walking distance from the theme parks. There are also buses and boats that are provided as transportation to the theme parks. This resort is considered an on-property premier level resort for Universal Orlando, which means you get a few perks. You get early entry to the theme parks, one of the two theme parks per day. This is on a rotating basis and the schedule is posted in advance. Additionally, you get free included Universal Express Pass. Express Pass is Universal's Jump the Line system. You get to use Express Pass to go into the express line instead of the normal line in almost all of the rides in all three of the theme parks at Universal. This is a huge perk because Express Pass can be expensive if you have to purchase it separately. Additionally, this is going to save you a ton of time and really let you enjoy your vacation. If you're interested in more details about the hotel as a whole, I have a video about this hotel and I've linked it here. Now let's take a look at this standard 2-queen room. Okay, let the room tour commence. So first of all, they do have connecting rooms here. Our room has a connecting door option. We have this little landing zone, which is actually a big area here. You have the service of the room and do not disturb signs, standard door, peephole with a cover. Oh, and also wheelchair height peephole with a cover. So then we turn and look into the main room. First we have the restroom here, vanity, single sink. We've got storage down here, towels, hair dryer, towel hooks on either side. You have your tissues and some little amenities. That's nice. This is a nice ceramic little jar. We have your lighted makeup mirror here. Dual-sided, comes out from the wall. It's very nice. Sink, soap, shower cap, as well as some body wash and lotion. Some glass cups, that's a nice touch. And this really cute mirror. I like that. And then on the other side here, you have a full-length large mirror. That's very nice. Now we have this sliding door. Ow, don't crush your hand. Sliding doors are really all the rage right now in hotel bathrooms. Slide it back. This does not lock. Nope, that does not lock in any way. I'm not in love with that for a room that sleeps 4, intending for families to stay here. The commode, trash can, extra paper there, little artwork. Oh, this is neat. It's like a little cut wood. That's fun. Shower, you've got your very standard shower curtain, standard tub, a basic shower head there, some nice tile, and again, some amenities, bath bar, shampoo, and conditioner. And one towel rack in here, and then one other hook. I think you could use some more towel racks here. I'm not sure why there's not one here. But overall, nice bathroom. Coming out of the bathroom, we have the main room. I think this wallpaper is very striking. It's very nice visually. I like that. Accent wall. All right, and then we've got some artwork here. Let's take a look first in the closet. Now it is dark in this closet and there's no light, but you have a safe, which is great. Iron, extra blanket up here, full ironing board. Love that there's a luggage rack and some hangers. Lots and lots of space in there. Definitely fit your suitcases in there. It's a nice closet. Adjustable thermostat here. Turn that down a little. And then your TV and credenza. Nice size TV. We have some waters that are $7.50. And these are deep drawers, but they're very short this way. These are cute. There's like a fake leather pull. It's very cute. 3 more on that side. And then this big middle section here. Got a mini fridge. That's great. A little bit of room to store some stuff up here too, some food items maybe. Ice bucket, glass cups, some fixins for your coffee. And then we have just a straight up basic Keurig here. And there's no brand name or anything on these coffees, but French roast decaf tea, coffee cups. Got there, but that is just a normal Keurig, so you could bring whatever K-cups you'd like. If you have really specific coffee needs, they also of course sell coffee throughout the resort. Got a light here, and then a desk. I like this desk. I like that there is a desk. This has like a vinyl chair here. Nice back support, comfy looking office chair with wheels. Tabletop, we've got some plugs. One USB plug. Oh, and one over here. Okay, so that's great. Desk lamp. And cute artwork. And then we've got everything we need to know. Some checkout information, housekeeping information, laundry. This is smoke free. Tells you where the ice machines are. There's a fitness center here. All of that sort of information. And you can text with the front desk here if you have questions. Oh. All right. Some recycling information and bags in there. So that is nice. I do want to point out this room is carpeted, except for the foyer, which is a tile. Yep, carpeting throughout. Then we have some sheer curtains and some blackout curtains. And this window, now I haven't paid for any sort of special view or anything like that, but I do have a bit of a water view and very lush grounds, and I can see the boats over there. That's nice. Pivoting from the window, got a little chair here, light, got this lovely accent wall again. And then this room has 2 queen beds. So each bed has this little reading light. It looks like only on one side. Yep, reading light on one side, and then only the nightstand in the middle. This is a very nice headboard. It's very plush, very cute. And we got 4 pillows on each bed, so tons of pillows. Some very basic bedding, but it, feels standard. Love this light fixture. This is cool as well. This is very, very nice. And standard hotel phone. Love that they give you a little sanitizer there, branded, and an alarm clock. It looks like you can also charge your phone, so that's really nice. And then we've got plugs in the center here. Drawer, Bible, but again, there's no plugs for the people sleeping on the other side. Don't love that. But vanity. And then identical bed over here. Do we have underbed storage? No, not really. And a trash can. Oh, okay, there is a plug here. But it's not really near the front of the bed. And no plug over here. Okay. Well, yeah, that's this room. I really enjoyed my stay in this room. It was pretty, it was spacious, it was clean, it had all the amenities I needed for a short stay. The perks that you get for staying at this and the other premier level hotels, the included express pass particularly, make it well worth staying at this resort. I recommend this room to any party of 4. However, I do think that there's a bit of an element missing from these rooms. It's not that they're bad for kids, but they're not going to be particularly exciting for children. So you might want to look into the Jurassic World suites that are in this resort if you're traveling with kids. So that's my look at a standard 2-queen room at Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort at Universal Orlando. If you are interested in staying at this resort, any other Universal Orlando resort, or anywhere else, I'd love to be your travel agent. You can contact me at the information on your screen. It is completely free to work with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a magical vacation.